birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's that day that comes just once a year. We are happy that you are still here. If you think you're getting old, well honey, let the truth be told. You only have eternity to go. You made it one more time around the sun. Now's the time that you have to have more fun. Kick up your heels, enjoy the ride, and let your God above just drive. Now's the time when we all have to say, have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life. You are full of love and grace. It pleases us to see your smiling face, to see you rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short and you have just begun. So have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life.
Hello, happy birthday po, Kuya Erwin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Erwin! Ang tagal na natin din nagkikita. Yung huling kita natin, yung uwi pa ni Papa Boy. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ka na, baby! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Erwin!
Kuya Erwin, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Kuya, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng tulong, payo mo sa akin. Tignan mo naman ngayon, yung dating ninja ng half court ay sundalo na. Kuya, pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuting kuya ng lahat, anak, asawa, at lalo na ama kay Winter. More birthdays to come, Kuya. God bless sa inyong lahat dyan. From Guardians of the North.
Happy 40th birthday, Kuya Erwin. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Cheers, kahit hindi ka umiinom.
Happy birthday, Erwin!
Happy birthday, Erwin! Wish namin na maging successful ang business niyo na.
Yes, napakasarap na sisi. Dapat lang, nakakamiss yung catering. Nakakamiss din si ano, sino nga yun? Hindi na tayo pangalan.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Hindi, yun, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Yun, wish namin good health, happy family, and ano ba? Successful. Yumaman tayong lahat.
Power!
Power. Pasensya ka na, hindi ka namin na-invite kasi hindi daw pwede kasi gagawa ng video. Birthday ni Maan, pakain wala ka.
Sige, bye-bye!
Ingat, Win.
Erwin, happy birthday. Happy Sweet 16. Thank you sa pagiging mabait sa akin ng college. At naalala ko yung binigay mong isang rim na Marlboro at hindi ko makakalimutan yun. At dahil doon, sana mabuhay ka ng marami at maging mayaman pa. Bye-bye.
Umpisa ko sa pagbati sa kumpadre kong si Erwin alias Birdie Ebon ng happy birthday. Salut sa kapatid, salut. Bali nagkakilala kami ni Erwin nung third year high school kasi mag-classmate kami. Bali 13 boys lang kami. So dun nagsimula yung pagkakaibigan namin, yung pagiging close. Then fourth year, naging mag-classmate din kami. Bali doon nag-start, mapasama ako sa barkada nila na Dabber Cats. Ayun, bali napapasama ako sa kanila pero bihira lang kasi bahay, uwi lang din ako. Then yun, yung unforgettable moments ko sa kanya na during high school, third year or fourth year, nung computer class namin kay Mamuse. Bali, ayun, ayaw na kami papasukin. Pagpasok pa lang namin din sa pinapalabas na kami. Dahil ipapasa na lang daw kami. Huwag lang daw kami pumasok sa klase niya. Bali, yun din. Nung, sa municipal naman, naging mag-classmate din kami sa CAT kasi yun, summer class yun. Naging mag-classmate din kami yun, magkasama pa rin kami. Tapos nung college naman, nasa Perpetual ako nag-aaral. So siya STI, bali dun din sila nag-ROTC sa Perpetual. Bali, ayun, magkasama kami, nagkita din kami. Then, ayun, yung isa pa sa unforgettable moments ko, nung napasama ako sa kanila is yung pag-care niya sa akin kasi during that time si Erwin tsaka si Melvin Basa is yun, bali pinagbabawalan akong magyosi, kumbaga tinuring nila akong parang bunso sa grupo nila. Ayun, bali masaya kasama si Ebon kasi yun, kwela nga, makulit kahit ganun lang siya. Ayun, bali ang wish ko naman sa kanya is ayun, pretol, more birthday to comes. Then yung katawa mo, alagaan mo, pre. Bali sana lagi kang nasa good health. Yun, kasi tumatanda na tayo, hindi na tayo bata para So ayun, pre, happy birthday. Salut sa'yo, salut.
Happy birthday, Erwin! Akanteteng. Matanda na tayo, naalala ko kay Erwin ng high school kami. Pag may nag-aaway, bubuyuin niya pa yan. Yung tipong, sige nga, wako mo nga yung tenga. Ayan. Wako mo nga tenga, wako mo nga yung ilong. Pag nagsuntukan na, aalis na yan. Ganyan yan. Pero mabait siya. Mabait siya si Erwin. Naks, sabay cambio, no? Dahil totoo naman. Mabait siya si Erwin. Matalino pa. Matalino yan. Nangako dyan eh. Anyway, happy birthday again, pre. And then, best wishes and wish you good health to you and to your family. And mabuhay ka hanggang kailan mo gusto, pare. Yun lang.
Yon, happy birthday paring birds. Happy 40th birthday. 40 na pero mukhang bata pa rin, mukhang high school pa rin. Most unforgettable moment with Erwin siguro yung second year yata kami noon. May nasalihan kaming frat gang sa school na hindi namin gusto, yung RSG kay Ma'am Repolente. kami nakakalam na mga high school friends niya. Ano pa ba? Sir Erwin, yan ang pinaka OG namin, gangster yan. Kahit anong okasyon, birthday, kasal, lagi nakapang-gangsta na clothing, naka-Cortez, naka-khaki, yan. Pero kidding aside, pare, happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Stay safe, kita-kits soon. And sana i-share mo naman sa amin yung Fountain of Youth mo lang yan, para hindi ka tumatanda. Yun, happy birthday ulit, pare. Kita-kits.
Siyempre, ang most unforgettable moments ko with Erwin is siya talaga yung one of the girls namin noon. Kung lahat ng boys nagpapakalangulang uminom, si Erwin kasama namin umiinom ng juice, tas sweet lang sa tabi-tabi, nakikipulutan. Yan si Erwin. Happy birthday, birds. Alam ko 50 ka na, charot. Joke lang. Alam ko 40 ka na. Life begins at 40, right? So let's make the most of it. Ang wish ko talaga sa'yo is sana magkaroon ka naman ng laman at tumaba ka. Kasi 40 years ka ng payatot. Ibahin naman natin. Gawin mo namang mataba ka. Char. Hindi. Basta dapat sana lagi ka lang healthy para mas maalagaan mo yung sarili mo at yung pamilya mo. I wish you all the best. And I miss you. Sana next vacation namin, mas magkaroon tayo ng chance makapag-bonding. Ingat ka palagi. Bye. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Erwin! Madami kami sikreto kaso bawal sabihin.
Ako may memories ako, yung nasa rotonda tayo. Tandang-tanda ako yun. Ikaw ang
Ako, nung nagbibilang tayo sa May Lopez, yung merong sapatos na naiwan sa kalsada.
Tsaka sa akin yung paborito mong halo, yung kape tsaka gin.
Sa akin, yung hinahanap yung sarili mo, hindi ko lang nakita niya.
Oo, sa May Pampanga.
Sa Pampanga mo nakita.
Hindi, yan pa pala ako, yung pumunta kami kay Greg. Tapos praning yun, pare.
Kasama tayo, no?
Oo ka.
Erwin, nako, para hindi ka lang
Para maghahal ka na suntukan ng tao yun, pare, sa mga
mag-hayaan tayo. Pero happy birthday,
Big Soto ng Tabar Cats.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 40th, pare, 40th. Matanda na.
Binabanggit yan. Ay, yun ba? Hindi binabanggit yan. Sikreto yan, malaki.
Kuya.
Google man.
Wala, sinabi na Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! God bless you. Thank you po sa lahat. Okay.
Papa, I know it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Miss you. I will send this with your message. And happy birthday. Love you. Love you po. And happy birthday to you, Papa. Happy birthday. Goodbye. Bye-bye. In Mommy's belly, feeling the warmth and anticipation of my arrival in her arms. I am here present in your life and in this new time that, little by little, is emerging, filled with hope, tenderness, and a great infinite and wonderful love. I'm a participant here, sharing with her every smile and this rush to wait for me, in the eagerness of our first meeting. But I already love you. I love you so much that I cannot even reproduce this love in a poem or in this message. I'm coming. I travel to you among the joy and the illuminated stars of the sky. Today is special. It's your day. You are happy and I adore you. Happy birthday, Daddy.